Hello friend, meet me again, and this time I will explain you how to use trading feature in Bitforex. Before I explain the trading feature, I will tell you what Bitforex. You know Bitforex before? Not yet? Let me explain. Bitforex is a top-ranked cryptocurrency exchange based in Hong Kong and licensed in the EU. Trade, manage, and grow your digital asset portfolio with Bitforex. Okay, back to topic. If you don't have account, you have to register first as usual. If you already have an account, you just have to log in. Let's get started. Okay, this is the initial appearance of the page Bitforex. Off the top left, you can see the word spot and perpetual. These are the two types of trading on Bitforex. The first, I will explain spot trading. Spot trade is the purchase or sale of financial asset by offering the delivery of instrument within one working day. The mean that the participant of the trading operation have an agreement for the price and that agreed in advance, and a kind of place spot where the transaction will be carried out. Here you can see the time frame on the chart and the tool on the left of the chart, and 70 more indicators to help you analyze technically. This makes it easy for you to minimize losses. Time frame like a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 13 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. And candle style like a bars, candles, hollow candles, Heiken, Ashi, line, area, and baseline. Trend line, trend angle, horizontal line, horizontal ray, and alter. You can see this here, an indicator like accumulation distribution, Bollinger Bands with RSI, MA cross, and alter. But but here the order is only available in the type of limit. I hope the Bitforex team adds market order and stop limit to multiply the trader option. Okay, next moving to perpetual trading. This type of trading is the same as future trading such as Bitmex and Binance, where the order is buy for long and sell for short. However, I think Bitforex has a greater trading volume than Binance and Bitmex according to CoinMarketCap. The tool is not much different from spot trading, only the order types are different. I will not explain the tool again, but I will explain how you close position in perpetual trading. User can place an inverse position order to close a position on Bitforex perpetual contract trading. If your inverse position order amount is greater than your current position, the amount left will be placed as a new order. Okay, this is very simple. You will understand little by little in trying it. I I hope my video helped you in using trading feature in Bitforex. Don't forget like, subscribe, and comment in. Thank you.